In this video, we're going to be looking at how to perform a basic spell check. Spell check can be done in one of two ways. The first way is if we come up to our review tab, and on the left hand side here we got our spelling and grammar. We can click on that, or as you can see it says spelling and grammar, and it's got in brackets F7. So it means if you press the F7 key on your keyboard, it'll automatically perform a spelling and grammar check. How do we know if we have a spelling or grammar check? If I just quickly edited the word valued, I've now changed a letter out of here. Can you see that underline red squiggly line? That means that there is a spelling error. Let's see if this works. No, okay. And there's a spelling error. Generally, if the line is blue, it means there's a grammatical error. So if I press the F7 key, or if I come up here, I click spelling and grammar, our editor block opens up here on the right hand side, and we can go and change the word or the spelling error. So we can click on valued. Okay. The other one that was looking down here, ENC, it is obviously just an abbreviation. The other way we can look at doing this is if we go to the word and right click, we can choose between our options here. We can also add to dictionary, ignore all, and that is how you do basic spelling and grammar check.